Hi friends, so today I am really very excited to share with you my live experiment. In my last week video I had told you about mechanical trading system. So in case if you have still not watched that video, please request you to watch that video, the advantages of mechanical trading system. And also I had uploaded lots and lots of strategies from day one of starting my channel, and all were clear cut mechanical trading system where you had clear cut entries, exit, stop loss, everything of that sort. But even after giving such kind of strong system, there is difficulty for many beginners or many I can say little experienced kind of traders to make money successfully in stock market. That is why in my last week video I had told you that I will be starting a live experiment where we will be doing a robust mechanical trading system. I'll be doing it along with people those who are interested. I'm also teaching the same system in my webinar, and we will be doing the live analysis. And it's not possible to post the trade daily on YouTube because mechanical trading system is a very boring kind of trading. There won't be daily profits and losses, there will be irregular profits and losses. So what I will do is I'll just give you summary of end of every month. And in case if you want to observe my track record, in case if you want to see my contract notes and all those things, you can just use my channel, that my Telegram group. I will provide the data in that group. So in case if at all you want to learn or you want to follow with me, you can just regularly track. So overall what I'll be trying to show you is how we can grow a capital from a small amount to a big amount by compounding, by pyramiding, and also by maintaining discipline. So all these concepts will be involved in this particular series. So I'm keeping the name as Trading for Living. So this video will be purely dedicated for people those who are serious about their trading and who really considers that trading can replace their income. And also if at all you are starting trading as a business, then this series especially is going to be very helpful. And mind you, I am not doing alone. All those who are very serious, who are interested, also are with me, and we are all trading together. So I just want to say initially now itself that I am not responsible for your profit and loss. What I can only say is that I am doing my trading, but only thing is I'm trying to give you the summary how that I am following regularly, how is that I am trading by living. All those things I'm just trying to show it to you. So there is no guarantee that you will always be in profit or there will be loss. It's completely left to the market. Whatever market gives, I am ready to accept with both the hands, even if it is profit or loss. Okay, so two more things I want to say is, one, first is like, please no trolling, because in mechanical trading system there will be regular losses as well, continuous losses also, 4 to 5 kind of losses also. It is part of the system, but still we have to stay connected, we have to trade. That is point number one. Point number two is that you can follow any mechanical trading system. It is not that you have to only follow me, you can follow anything in this journey, but I will give you few regulations, few rules, few methods and all those things. So please join with me, and you also can learn from this particular experiment. Okay, so before going forward, the trading platform which I'll be using for this particular series is going to be Upstock. So in case if you have still not started using Upstock, don't forget to use the link which I put in the description of this video. So this offer, as I came to know, has got extended till this month end of August. So you can try to use the link. They'll be providing free demat and trading account along with zero brokerage for 30 days, and also access to free Stockage premium membership as well. Okay friends, so without wasting much time, I'm very excited. So we started, as you all know, on August 9th we had our webinar where I thought a very simple, I can't say simple, a very robust kind of trading strategy. And for my convenience, I selected the stock Bank Nifty, because if it take a stock and there are many people who are trading it, then what happens is there will be huge there won't be much volume and all will be on one side of the trade. It will be very difficult. There will be a lot of slippages and all those kind of thing. So the best thing solution is either go for indices. So you can take Nifty or you can take Bank Nifty, and as you know that Bank Nifty is more aggressive, and we being youngsters, we need more aggressive kind of trade. So that is why we have selected Bank Nifty. So the webinar was given on 9th and all the people were given training, and then after that live analysis started from 10th itself, that is Monday, and we got started trading from 12th. So on 12th, this is the P&L which we had, and then 13th and 14th. So I started off with initial capital of 7,75,000 because I wanted to start with round figure 8 lakh. But then let us consider as 8 lakh itself. So we started with 7,75,000 rupees, and the lot size, friends, this is where you have to be very, very careful. My risk reward is less than 5%, so each trade I take less than around 2%, and for the overall day I keep a loss of 5%. So that is why for each 1 lakh I am going with one lot of bank nifty. So here you can see I have taken 8 lots. So one lot of bank nifty is 25, so here I have taken 8 lots for 8 lakhs. So I will be doing compounding when I reach 9 lakh. So when I go to 9 lakh, I will increase the lot size to 225. Okay, so this trading journal will be also shared in the Telegram group. So all those who are trading, who are following mechanical trading system, can start using this sheet. We also have this graph. We have the equity graph. So this will be showing as per the profit and loss how the graph is going, and also we have a very beautiful summary sheet. So as of now, the number of trades taken is 3, out of which 2 winning trades and 1 losing trade. And the key important thing here is the things which we have to see here is the risk reward ratio. Since the loss was almost negligible here, so it's showing a very robust big figure. We need to get more trades to understand this, and the return of investment as of now is already crossed 15%. Okay, so that can be luck. It is not that always you'll get such kind of big figures. And the most important thing, friends, you can be rest assured that I will be taking in front of you itself. I'm just opening my dashboard. Okay, so this is my upstock. Okay, so we'll have a clear-cut picture. So you can see this is my name is Prince. So this is my trading keystone back, that is upstock back office. So we'll take the live ledger in front of you itself so that there is not going to be any discrepancies. So from 10th we started, and I'll keep it only to NSE futures and option. Go. Okay, so you can see we have started from 10th, and today as of now till it is 15th, and you can see I just added 2 lakh, 1 lakh, and then 4 lakh. So total you can see overall the closing balance was 7,75,000 rupees we started off. So you can see I did the fund transfer. So on 10th date, the fund we started was with 7,75,000 rupees. Okay, so 10th and 11th we did not have any trade. Although in non-directional trade we had some profits, but I was not able to trade those days. I was busy with teaching these students, all those were in the group. So on 12th we took our first trade. Sorry, I took my first trade, and we had a debit of 78 rupees. So I have posted same here. So you can see in the trade log. So first day was 70 rupees loss, and then second day you can see it was 2,472. So then I have added same 2,472. It has got rounded off, and then on 14th we made profit of around 1,17,570. So again 1,17,570. So this is the overall balance as of now, with a profit of around 1,19,964, and we have kick-started our mechanical trading system live. It's my live experiment, so I would like to do the compounding, and let's see with God's grace how the year is going to be. And you all know that as of now bank nifty and market also is moving complete sideways. So it's you have to see how it will be. It will be a complete, small kind of losses, or losses, but one fine day, on one sudden day, it will be like a big profit, and it will save the entire series. That is how a mechanical trading system works. So there are a lot of things for you to learn in this, friends, and so every month end I'll be giving you this summary video as well, so that you will be updated. It will inspire you to follow a trading system. Okay, so people, those who have still not started, if at all you want to decide a trading system, just log into my channel Angel Trading Friend. You'll get lots of mechanical trading strategies. Select anything which you're comfortable, and then also take this Excel sheet which is available with me, available in my trading group. If you still not joined the group, the link is provided in the description. Start the journey, and you follow any system, or if you want to trade along with me, then you can join my webinar and also my 1 month live trade analysis, so that you'll also learn along with me in 1 month, and then you also can join this particular journey with me. Okay, friends, so this kind of live experiment, I think rarely I have seen anyone. I think there was one person in India doing it, so I also got inspired by him. His name is Mr. Madan. So hats off to him. He has done a very big compounding. Although I had done my compounding before also, I did not do it live. So that is why we started with a demo account with I had some little excess fund of 8 lakh. So that is why we started off with 8 lakhs, and then we are trying to do the compounding. So I won't be withdrawing the profits, and whatever any updates, notes, remarks, everything other will be updating it regularly. So this is how we will be going forward with the journey. Okay friends, so wish me good luck. Also wishing you also all those who are starting with me this live experiment, live analysis, and whatever be the reason, whether it is going to be profit or loss or whatever it is, we are going to stick to this system for 1 year, minimum 1 year, and I will just show you the beauty of this kind of mechanical system. Okay, so hope this will really inspire you to follow a very good mechanical system without changing the strategy. And the most important thing we always have to see is this equity graph. We just have to see that this graph does not come down. It has to, I mean, it is not in our hand, but what I'm trying to say is that even if it comes down, we have to wait for it patiently to pick up. We have this is how we do the analysis of our trades and all those things whenever we are following any systems. Okay friends, so any other doubts, any other confusion, please do WhatsApp me. My number is 8095876525, and also I think people those who started with me the journey can might be able to comment on this videos as well. So how was the experience and how was the journey kickstarted for you as well? And don't forget to use the link for either joining the account in Upstock or also joining my Telegram channel. So in case if you feel you need the contract notes, you can just take it from my group as well, trading group as well. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.